Today is the day that Real Deal lets his Race Red Indoraptor go, y'all. Austin is bringing it back. He finished up all the paint work, and I just want to do a little one last review of the Gen 2 today. It is so sentimental to me because of the color and it being the first Indoraptor that we stepped out there here at Wild Wiz at Aikens and decided to go next level with our customizations, especially on the Raptors. So you know it's just near and dear to me too. But we knew that 37s was going to be something that we had to do. The 37s look so much more proportional with the overall stance and size because the vehicle being 8 inches wider, it just suits it better on 37. So this iconic silver one we did. Oh my gosh, y'all look, he's early. He's early. Oh, I got chills, y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude, wow. She's a beauty. She is a beauty. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is special. This is special. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's stunning. It is stunning, y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There he is. What's up, Austin, dude? Dude. Yes, yes. Oh my gosh. Wow. So Austin's filming, y'all. He showed up early and we are here with greatness behind us. Austin and I, this is a tribute to Kevin and Tina because we were thinking about, him and I were talking about what are we going to do since there's no Race Red. We thought about wrapping. We thought about so many different things to get this as a Real Deal Indoraptor First Blood Edition. But we said Kevin and Tina, our great folks down in Jacksonville, the Tampa Bay truck, go Bucks. We've got an homage and tribute to them and a tribute to the Race Red. I'm still sad, y'all. I'm still sad, but Austin killed it. He even has a special surprise for me in the DRL in red. I mean, y'all look at this front end, and we're not gloss black, we're UM, right? UM on the front grille too, so you can see the sparkle and luster in the black attributes throughout. We did so much to this truck. We're gonna review this thing later. I'm still trying to take all this in that this is here before us. We've got two beauties. So essentially Raptor 37 package with the 1.5 level kit. We did our 2.5 level kit system SST kit on this one, both on 37s, both OGs, and I just don't know what else to do, y'all. I'm so excited about this. Come check out the back end too. There's a surprise on this truck that you're gonna see in the next video. I'll throw us, just look at the color of the wheel here. Out back, y'all, look, so we did a little bit thicker on our perimeter here, which, you know, Austin does it both ways, thinner or wider. I think the red ties in nicely going wider. This tailgate, y'all, this right here gets me so fired up. This rear is so iconic. You see me coming down the road and you get behind me, you know something is going on with this truck and who's in here. It's like, who is driving this truck with this, what is going on with this truck? On the OG, we didn't touch the applique, so we are definitely bettering ourselves. Now look at the wheel color over here. We're gonna do a different video about this, but just notice the wheel color here, right? But what a incredible stance. We did, whew, like, this is happening, y'all. This is here. The Gen 3 Indoraptor on 37s is here. I'm truly speechless. Y'all, thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. We're gonna dive deep and review this in more in depth, and we got more surprises that we're adding to this one also. And if you want to buy this truck, you can hit us up here at Aikens. I guess I'll let you buy it if you want to. Peace out.